Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the microphone on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita isn't working properly. So as the first troubleshooting step, let's try to manually unclog the microphone port, which is located on the bottom edge of your smartphone right next to your mini jack port. Do not use any metallic or conductive tools to do that. Instead, use some sort of a plastic pick or a wooden pick or a soft brush to carefully unclog your microphone port, and then check your microphone in the voice recorder application, which is a pre-installed app on your smartphone. Just open voice recorder and try speaking to your microphone and see if it creates any sound waves right here. And if it does, then there is no need to even listen to it. This means that your microphone is working properly. And if this didn't help you, then we can also try to disable Bluetooth to make sure that our voice isn't getting rerouted to some external microphone, like maybe headphones microphone or something. And if this won't help you, you can try to restart your device into the safe mode to make sure that no third-party application is using your microphone. To do that, hold down the power button, then select restart, confirm, then wait until your phone turns off, and in a moment you'll be able to see the ZTE logo on your screen. Once you see it, start holding down the volume down button after about 3 to 5 seconds after the logo appears. So right about now, start holding down the volume down key and keep holding it until your phone vibrates. Then you can release the volume down button. Okay, so right now we can release the button and just wait until the phone is restarted in the safe mode. And here in the safe mode, try checking your voice once again. So open your voice recorder and start recording your voice once again. And in case your microphone started working now, then this means that some third-party application was catching your voice and using it somehow. So go to settings, go to apps, and delete the application that could have done this with your microphone, especially some unknown application. Now, in order to fix, if this didn't help you, if you need some further troubleshooting, let's first restart the phone to the normal mode simply by selecting restart on the power menu on the power screen, and then just wait until your phone is restarted. And when your phone is restarted, disable the airplane mode. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to settings, go to system, and check system update, and make sure that you don't have any software updates for your device, because there could have been an issue that was only recently resolved, and if you want to resolve it on your smartphone, you're gonna need to install the latest software version. So if you do have a software update, then first check your system for updates, and after installing an update, check your microphone once again. If this doesn't help, it doesn't fix your issue, then as a last resort we can reset preferences. So basically go right here, then select reset apps, and then check your microphone once again. And this is basically it. So if nothing helped you, then at this point this must be a software issue, and if it's a hardware issue, and if it's a hardware issue, then you're gonna have to contact ZTE customer support service and let them know about it, and see what you can do about it. For probably just send your smartphone to them for repair. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.